njalo. And it is my prayer ukuthi abantu bakobulawayo bayithole iservice. Uyabungazenzeli wena, but abantu bako iBhayibheli lithi uma usenza ulutho yenza njengoba uyenzela uNkulunkulu. Yeah, and incwadi ku Proverbs futhi yathi ukuthi it is a good name is better than ama riches. Yeah, so umuntu ongabuya ngicabanga ukuthi ama journalists even akobulawayo are the best. Thina we formed the group. Ukuthi any stories yabanika and you respond to ama journalists. Ifoni yomuntu yaphendula ngabona le missed call back. Yeah, it was my passion. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bakobulawayo they deserve better. Bafuna abantu like Intumbane, Country Park all over. Uma bengatshelwanga ngama police ukuyinokwenzakalayo, i fear of crime will never be reduced kubo. Sesingabopha ama armed robbers, sibopha abantu bonke abatshontshileyo, kodwa uma thina ama mouthpieces singatshelanga abantu through imedia ukuthi abantu abanje de lesaba lithi esifuleni esinja ukucatshwa sebebanjiwe babe ukuthi siyesaba impisi anti sikhula kwakuthiwa buyana ekhaya siyesaba lesabani impisi then amapholisa sesithi impisi zaphela zathi du. So thina as spokesperson sithi impisi zaphela zathi du nge-evidence ukuthi siyayidinga homicide sibamba ama-armed robbers. I was happy last week babopha more than 12. So we to go to yes, over 12 babochwa and thina is mouthpieces. It was now our duty ukuthi sithi zakhamuzi abantu behlupha sebebochile yabona. So without public relations police effort goes nowhere. Even I always tell people that anything well done and not documented is not done. So really, la ngiyacela ama media